What's going on, everybody? Zeke here, back with another episode, and today we're going to be talking about cases, and specifically we're talking about cases for your drone. So I've been working with this company now for a little over a year and a half now. The company's name is Nanuk. They're based out of Canada, and they make a wide range of cases. They make media cases, they make firearm cases, they make big cases, small cases, rolling cases. They make cases, and they really make really great cases. Am I just saying that because they give them to me for free? No. I have used Pelican, I've used GPC, I've used any and every other case that I could have thought of, and these guys I've been working with now for some time now, and I really love the brand. I really love what the case is about. So today's short, less than 5 minutes. Really, I'm just going to walk you through the case that I use to hold my Mavic 2 Pro, a handful of batteries, and the smart remote, which is really key for me because the smart remote is, I'm just a fan of it, and I'll kind of talk about that here in a little bit. So let's go ahead and get the case opened up and take a look at it. Here we go. Okay guys, so here we go. The Nanuk 925 for the DJI Smart Mavic 2 Pro or Zoom controller. It also fits the Crystal Sky 5.5 or an iPad. So a couple little details around this case I'm going to throw on the screen right now. Interior dimensions is about 17 by 11 by 6.4, with the exterior coming in at 18.7, 14.8, and 17. It's made out of a lightweight NK7 resin, and it is waterproof. It's IPv67, and they do come with a lifetime warranty. You are able to check this in on Airlines, and I've taken this with me on several flights. So if we were to open it up now, Nanuk has these really nice kind of clamshell latches, and there it is. So there's the inside of my case. This is my setup. So I'm able to take 5 total batteries, the battery that's on the drone itself, 1, 2, 3, 4. I do label all my batteries. This is actually a really great habit to be into, especially if you're gonna be loaning your drone out to other friends, or if you're gonna be out and people are swapping batteries. It has a space for your filters. I use Polar Pro, and a place for the smart controller, and then I use some Peak Design anchors, and I have a little strap that I carry. I have a space down there for extra props, extra SD cards. You could put another remote here if you needed to, like a backup. And then I have a Peak Design mini strap here, a few more props down there, along with SD cards. So as you can see, tons of room in here. If you use the Crystal Sky, your Crystal Sky would sit right there. But I use the smart controller. Huge fan of this, as this is all you need. I don't need to use the remote plus my cell phone. This is able to get everything I need done with my flying. So there it is, there's the inside. It's made, this has this really nice water jet cutout for all of your gear. Everything sits in there nice and snug, no moving around. And again, I'm able to take a total of 5 batteries with me. I usually keep my charger separately, but you can fit the charger in there. I have tested that, but I actually use a different charger. I use a fast charger that enables me to charge more than 1 battery at a time. So this is the case, snaps in, pressure relief, and then it does have the eyelets, so you can put locks in there if you needed to, but I never checked this. This is always coming with me. This is the olive green, and it does come in a handful of other colors as well. It can come in black, gray, it has this really nice orange color, silver, and yellow. So those are the colors that you can get when you order from Nanuk, and I'm gonna leave a description. I'll leave all this down in the description below for this particular case. All right, so that's it guys. Nice and short and sweet. Nanuk 925 for your DJI Mavic 2 Pro or Zoom. It does hold the smart controller, but it can also hold the 5.5-inch Crystal Sky along with your regular remote and your adapters, or an iPad mini. I will leave everything linked down below for you guys to check out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful one. Take care. Have a great weekend or a great week whenever you're watching this. Just have a great one. That's it. Peace.